I've been using this 7-in-1 soil tester, and I've got to say it's been a total game changer for how I care for my plants. This little device measures everything: light, including both illuminance and spectrometer levels, air temperature and humidity, and soil moisture, fertility, and pH. It even comes with a super handy guide pamphlet that makes it really easy to understand what you're looking at. So here's my personal soil pH meter review after testing it on my outdoor potted plants, the lawn, and my more finicky indoor plants. Most of my soil moisture readings are showing high, which makes sense. I had just watered everything recently. But what really stood out is that fertility is medium to low, and my pH readings are consistently on the low side. So I know I need to work on bringing those levels into a more neutral zone, typically between 5 and 8, depending on the plant. That little insight alone helps me know where to focus rather than just guessing. I love how fast the results show up. You just insert the probe about 4 inches into the soil, wait a few seconds, and the screen lights up with all your readings. The LCD display is large, bright, and rotates, so I'm not hunched over trying to squint at numbers. It also checks air temperature and humidity, which has been useful for moving certain plants inside or adjusting placement outdoors based on weather swings. And the light meter helps me figure out if each plant is getting enough sun, not just in general, but across the actual spectrum of light they need. Whether I'm spot checking the lawn or making sure my indoor plants aren't struggling in silence, this tester gives me confidence in what I'm doing and saves me from overwatering or using the wrong soil amendments. If you're looking for a smart all-in-one tool to understand your plants better, this soil pH meter is incredibly useful. It's definitely earned a place in my regular plant care routine. Thanks to the brand for sending me this handy tool.